my name's Iris. Today we are going to do a nice kind of art. It's called PEEKABOO, and this is my daddy, Jacob.
Yeah, and Artemis taught me how to do this art a little while ago. Let's take a closer look at it here.
Yes, and this is my daddy's a little PEEKABOO daddy made. I teach him how to do it. Show them what happens where it opens.
So,
say PEEKABOO, PEEKABOO. That's what it does.
So what you have to do is draw a face or some sort of character on the outside. On this one, I did a heart with a face.
Yeah, and then he draws something first inside here. I think he did that first.
No, I did the heart first, actually.
Yeah, he did the heart, and then he decided to finish the eye inside here.
Yeah.
Yeah, first he did the eyes.
So always, whatever you're going to do, you can do different types of characters or animals. I like to do animals because they're easy. But
yeah, and he did a snail.
But whatever you do, part of the face should be above the fold.
Yeah.
And part of it should be below. So that once you open it up, you can reuse that same part that's above.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I want to say something.
Yeah?
You could draw like little details around them, even on the front or on the back.
Yep, that's true. You can draw a background and things. I just kept mine plain because I was just learning it.
And I did one of them with like who would be there. So I drew a question mark and then PEEKABOO, it's a kitty.
Awesome.
Okay, now everyone, just look. So you see this piece of paper. Don't fold it like all the way. You have to leave a little piece of it.
Now you're folding yours long ways, but I guess it depends on the character you're doing. I folded mine along the longer side. You're folding it I folded mine on the shoulder side. You folded yours on the longer side. But either way works. It just depends on what your character is going to be.
I'm this way.
Yeah, and always make sure you leave a little bit hanging off the top when you fold it.
Yeah. We fold it now. You can see.
Yeah, so we both have ours folded, and now we're gonna start with the drawing. Where are you going?
Try to make everyone see my face. I'm over here.
You're silly.
Now I'm gonna draw like a little whipped cream.
I think I'm going to do something along the lines of what I did last time.
You mean like a heart?
Yes, but I'm going to change it up a bit.
To like a butterfly?
No, you're gonna have to wait and see.
Over here, yay! It's me, Artemis. This activity is ready fun.
You called it an artivity?
Everyone says it's activity.
That's awesome, Artemis's Artivities. So here's what I've done so far.
Yeah.
It's a smiley heart.
And here's what it's my turn. Here's what I did so far. A little whipped cream with a pink layer. Now I'm gonna add a yellow layer.
Now, when I open it up, I'm gonna draw in there.
Yeah, he's going to draw, because he's first going to color in his heart, right?
I am? I'm gonna color it first?
Yeah.
Or should I color it all at the end?
You should color it
Color
first.
it first? Okay.
Color the first part, like this one.
Okay, and you can color it with whatever you like to use.
Yeah, because remember, just follow our direction and then you can learn. Remember, do the same way that we do. Because remember, copy it if you want.
Yeah, you can copy ours or you can be creative and come up with your own. You did one that I thought was really good. It was something like this with the two tops of a heart, and then when you opened it up, it was a frog inside. That one looked really good.
I know.
Yeah, I like that one.
I I really worked hard to do that one, actually. I really worked hard to do all of those ones. Because you could do cute faces, you could do any kind of like faces. Could this remember, could be an animal or something. Wow.
Yeah, that frog, that inspired me to do my snail last time.
Yes, because he wanted to do like something a little
Goofy.
gooey.
Yeah, gooey, goofy.
Not goofy, gooey.
It was goofy too. It was a snail with a big smile.
I guess it would. Now I'm gonna do something a little different that I never done yet. Everyone might be impressed in mine. So here I go. I'm gonna do a cupcake like I never did before. I'm right here. I'm making sure you can see me on the camera. With me daddy doing it, cause I am. Hey, you didn't even touch my nose. I'll show you who touches people now. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, let's get back to our drawings.
Yeah. But remember, you have to draw something on the bottom part of the paper. So you're
Yeah, on the
using the
inside.
whole paper. Like you have to use the bottom piece too. Like what my daddy's doing right on this.
Yeah, on the inside you mean, right? Yeah, the top and the bottom, it should cross over. So that when you open it up, you're left with a little bit.
Yeah,
I'm gonna show you
and
what
then
she's talking
this.
about. See, now that it's colored part way, you
Yeah.
can kind of see. I open it up and I got the tops of eyes. And I can turn those tops into anything
That's
else.
what I'm talking about.
No?
I'm talking about like you have to do a whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing down there.
Like to here to here.
Yeah, make sure it crosses that line.
Yeah. Dun dun dun!
So there's my outside. It's just a red heart with big eyes and a big smile. Then you open it up, and now I've got the tops of the eyes that I can turn into another creature.
Are you trying a rainbow animal?
No?
Looks like red and then oranges and green and blue.
Yeah, something with some big googly eyes like the last one had.
A frog.
No, the frog I liked, but I'm not
Crab.
gonna steal yours.
Crab.
Why would you say that?
Is it a crab?
Why would you say that?
Is it a crab? Tell me, is it a crab?
You're gonna have to wait and see.
It's a crab. Is it? Tell me.
How would you know it's a crab?
Because I can see. Those are my only ideas that had eyes sticking out. Frogs
Yeah.
and crabs, those are the only things. It's not stealing my idea. You just like it so you want to copy it. That's what it is. I don't care if you do that. So what I'm going to do like a little cotton bear. Like I mean cotton candy. My favorite. Now can I teach everyone how to draw the eyes that I do?
Yeah, if you want.
You do 2 circles and then you do another circle. You could do 1 or 2. I'm doing 1. Because you could do 2 if you want. And then, because it's a girl, I'm going to draw eyelashes. If it's a girl, then it could have eyelashes.
Cute.
And then, that's how you draw the eyes.
So
Because
adorable.
sometimes I want to make makeup. Makeup's my favorite thing in the whole wide world. So I'm going to do some kissy lips like...
Cute. Those look like little LOL lips.
Yeah, I do.
So there's a couple things I like to do after I've finished coloring my drawing is I'll go around and color in the lines a bit darker with a black pencil crayon just to make them stand out, especially if it's something that's like a cartoon character like this guy is. And the other thing I like to do is once I have the outline done is I'll go around and either press harder with the pencil crayon because I just pressed light before. Sometimes I'll even use a black, or if I'm using marker I'll use a darker color of the same, like a darker red, and I'll just go in and I'm gonna pretend that my light is up here in the top left. And so everything in the bottom right, the opposite corner, I'm gonna shade it in a bit. So like the bottom of his claw, I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker than the rest.
That's actually true. My daddy does everything like he wants to do. Sometimes he does a little realistic.
Yeah, a little bit realistic. You see, it just adds a little depth.
I did my lips a little realistic by adding a little darkness in the lips and around it.
Yeah, your lips are very complex there. Let's see. There you go.
This is mine, and I really like to just make everything funner and matchy, because my style is matchy-patchy. Give a thumbs up if yours. Give a thumbs up if you like matchy-patchy too, because I really like everything to be matchy-patchy. It makes me smile so much.
Thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up. See, these are my nails, because then look what happened. Boop.
Beautiful toes too. Look at them.
See everyone? This is mine, and I did a cupcake with a butterfly, and then inside it's a little, and it's not a bird, because everyone thinks it's a bird. It's a little guy. It's a little girl bird with a bow and lipstick, and it's a little bear with wings and heart feet, and there's a little butterfly friend, and then you see what it's holding. It's holding some cotton candy.
Wow, you did a lot of details on yours.
And there's its cotton candy head.
Cute. Okay. Mine's a little more simple.
Yeah, not very simple because it's too big.
Too big, you think? Well, I try to use up as much of the paper inside as I could. So the outside is a nice friendly red heart, big smile, and then you open it up and there's a pincer crab.
Well, this is the end of the video, so I hope you have so much fun. I hope you do this art too at your home, and give one thumbs up if you did this art before, and give double thumbs up if you like this video and you never did this art before. So we could add more video subscribe buttons, and we would love if you go so subscribe, because this is our first video. So if you watch this one, this is the first one that you're going to see coming right now on your TV. On any kind of TV, like Apple, Pear, Donuts.
Pear? A Pear TV? Apple TV, never a Pear or Donut TV. I see those ones. I'd like a donut TV, that'd be tasty. But yeah, subscribe and hit the bell.
Yeah. No, I'm not touch.
You were talking about more donut TVs?
So, the donut one was my idea. So, I hope you also have a cookie to eat.
You're silly now.